there's a long-standing market saying known as turnaround Tuesday. The idea is simple. Markets often struggle at the start of the week before stabilizing or recovering on Tuesday. It's a concept that has circulated in trading circles for years, particularly in equity index markets. But as always with seasonality, the important question is not whether the phrase exists, but it's whether the effect actually appears in the data. So, today we're going to test three things. 1. Does Tuesday historically perform differently from other weekdays? 2. Is the beginning of the week generally stronger than the end of the week? And thirdly, does this pattern appear consistently across different markets? So starting with the S&P 500, the data does show a noticeable difference between weekdays. Tuesday and Wednesday, over the last 15 years, have historically shown the strongest average returns. Monday has been positive but much weaker. Tuesday and Wednesday, the strongest average return. Thursday has been the softest day of the week. And Friday, while positive, has generally lagged the middle of the week. So while the market in the S&P 500 does not literally reverse every Tuesday, there does appear to be a tendency for performance to strengthen after Monday. But perhaps the more interesting observation is broader than that. As you look across the full week, a pattern starts to emerge that the first 3 trading days have historically tended to outperform the final 2 days of the week. And this is not just visible in the S&P 500. In the Nasdaq 100, the effect appears even more pronounced. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday have historically delivered strong average returns, while Thursday and Friday have been notably weaker. We see exactly the same structure in the DAX. Tuesday and Wednesday have historically been the strongest days of the week, and Thursday and Friday tend to weaken. So again, the first half of the week is much stronger than the back end of the week. So the broader pattern may not simply be a turnaround Tuesday. It may be a stronger early week effect versus a weaker late week effect. Well, why might this happen? Well, there's several explanations that are commonly discussed in financial literature and market commentary. And one makes a lot of sense when you stop and think about it. So as the week progresses, traders and institutions may beginning to reduce their risk exposure ahead of weekends. This is particularly the case during uncertain market environments. Say you're worried that there may be a tweet released or a geopolitical escalation of a war or an unexpected development that investors have been looking at that could break over the weekend. Many investors are not going to want to be holding long positions in equity markets if there's a risk the market collapses over the weekend and gaps open significantly lower at the start of the week. So that's a very normal human reaction, that softer late week price action is due to reduced participation and more cautious positioning into Friday, and sometimes you get an acceleration of that caution on a Monday, particularly if there has been some negative news that's broken over the weekend. Then it would make sense why Monday may also see weakness. Now, none of these explanations are guaranteed causes, of course. Just because there's a geopolitical event that may break over a weekend, it doesn't mean equity markets are guaranteed to fall. There's also another factor that commentators and analysts talk about, which is institutional flow timing early in the week as portfolios and exposures are adjusted after the weekend. So, although none of these explanations are guaranteed causes of this phenomena, they do help to explain why weekday behavior may not be entirely random. And what's particularly interesting is that this pattern appears across multiple indices. You know, the S&P 500 shows stronger Tuesday and Wednesday performance. The Nasdaq shows a stronger Tuesday and Wednesday performance. And the DAX itself shows a very similar structure in Europe. And that consistency across markets is important because in seasonality, patterns that appear across multiple instruments tend to carry more weight than isolated observations. So, what's the practical takeaway? Well, turnaround Tuesday should not be treated as a standalone signal. But understanding weekday tendencies can help traders frame expectations, understand positioning behavior, and avoid assuming that every trading day behaves the same way. The key insight here is not prediction, it's recognizing that market behavior can shift depending on where we are in the trading week. So turnaround Tuesday may not be as simple as markets reversing every Tuesday, but the data does suggest that the beginning of the trading week has historically behaved differently from the end of the week. And that's exactly what seasonal basics is about. Not repeating market sayings, but testing whether recurring patterns actually hold up in the data. So the market doesn't move differently just because it's Tuesday, but history suggests investor behavior sometimes does around the start of the trading week.